Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
Start by assembling ingredients. Use 1 tablespoon cumin seeds, 2 cups water, and optional 1 teaspoon sugar or 1/2 lemon for brightness. Lightly crush 1 tablespoon cumin seeds with a mortar, pestle, or back of a spoon to release the aromatic oils. This step improves infusion and flavor. Prepare 2 cups water and keep a small saucepan, a strainer, and a cup ready so you can move quickly when the tea finishes brewing. Place the crushed cumin into the saucepan with 2 cups water and bring to a gentle simmer over medium heat. Reduce to low and simmer for 6 to 8 minutes to extract flavor and compounds. Turn off the heat and cover the pan, letting the infusion steep for 3 minutes to concentrate taste without bitterness. Strain the tea into a cup, add 1/2 lemon or 1 teaspoon sugar as desired, stir, and serve warm for best aroma and clarity. To vary flavor and digestion benefits, add 1/4 teaspoon ground ginger or 1 crushed cardamom pod while simmering. Both complement cumin and add warmth. If you make extra, cool the tea and store it in a sealed container in the fridge for up to 48 hours, reheating gently without boiling to preserve aroma. Consume 1 to 2 cups daily as a routine. Avoid exceeding 4 cups per day to minimize mild side effects.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.